Hi guys, this is Tasmiya. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today I'll be sharing on how I made this half and half sari with the fabrics that I had at home. So basically I'm a fabric hoarder. Okay, so just keep on watching. So I had this fabric from a really long time. It has zari weaving of palm patterns all over. I always wondered if I had to make an anarkali suit out of it, or I was always thinking about it, and then I finally decided that I want to make this into a sari. And sari is typically 5.5 to 6 meters, but this fabric was only of 4 meters. So considering this as a body of the sari, I'll be making a half and half sari. Here I'll be using this Banarsi silk fabric as a pallu. This is about 2 meters. So we'll be attaching the end of the body to the beginning of this pallu. Here's how I made the seam. My mom is helping me with the sewing. Here I am using flat felt seam method to sew, having the right sides facing each other and the wrong side on the top. We'll be folding the edge about 2 mm twice and stitching on the end. Actually, what happened is the length of the pallu is longer than the length of the body, and I really wanted to use this fabric, so we made a jugaad by making a few pleats on the end of the pallu so that it comes down to the length of the body, and then we stitched along the line. Once it was completely stitched on the wrong side, flip the sari to the right side and made a top stitch to secure the flat felt seam. Then going on the end of the pallu, I made a hem stitch so that there are no frays or anything, and tada, the sari is ready. Do let me know by commenting down below how you feel the sari looks like. In my next video, I'll share on how I styled it on myself. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.